Hello, good evening. My name is Omar. Just wanted to show you really quick some of the Highlanders that we have in stock. I'll get you the one that you want. Please give me a call at your earliest convenience. My name is Omar Carrillo. 214-576-8738. We have the black interior, the almond interior, the ash interior. Please give me a call. I'll get it for you. This is only a small sample of our inventory. We have more inventory. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Gorgeous paint.